Welcome to Sai Tech Info channel, my dear students. In the last session, we discussed about the first part of the formula associated with the ray optics, where we would have discussed about the mirror formula, lens formula, then microscope formula, etc. So let us continue. Magnification of compound microscope. Okay, take that. So that is the next formula. So we are going to discuss about the microscope here. Microscope, where the magnification of the microscope is given by the length of the microscope tube, that is the distance between the objective lens and the eye lens, that is called L. So minus L divided by FO. F is the focal length. So focal O stands for objective lens. So focal length of objective lens into the distance, the least distance of the distinct vision, that is the near point, divided by, that is represented as D here. Then F and E. E stands for the eyepiece. So the focal length of the eyepiece. Do you understand? Right. Then next. Suppose the magnification of the telescope under normal adjustment. So this is the formula for magnification of, that is the magnifying power, to determine the magnifying power of telescope under normal adjustment. Okay, so that is given by M is equal to beta divided by alpha. Beta divided by alpha. You know, alpha is the angle subtended at the eye by the object. Do you understand? Similarly, beta. So beta is nothing but the angle subtended by the subtended at the eye by the image. Okay. So this makes the difference. So you should be able to identify alpha and beta. Okay. Right. So M is equal to beta by alpha. Okay, beta divided by alpha, right? And this can also be represented as the ratio between FO and minus FE. Take down FO. What is FO? Focal length of the objective lens divided by minus FE. So you must remember, according to the Cartesian convention, see, when the lens is kept at the center, on the left it should be negative. Okay, so as far as eyepiece is concerned, the object is at the left side. So we have introduced the minus here. Are you able to follow this? Right. And similarly, in the case of O, so here the focal point is on the other side, and that is why it is plus. So you should always apply the Cartesian convention. Are you able to understand? Right. Next, we will talk about the astronomical telescope. So try to complete this. Right. Now let us proceed with astronomical telescope. Astronomical telescope. The magnifying power in normal adjustment, that is M, is equal to minus f naught divided by fe. Okay, and when the image is formed at D, that is at the least distance formed, least distance of the distinct vision. Okay, so in that case m is equal to minus fo. What is o? That is objective length. So focal length of the objective lens divided by focal length of the eyepiece into 1 plus f e divided by d. Okay, just by looking at the equation you should be able to identify the difference between the two types of measurement. So one is just in this equation we have included d, so it means that is the telescope is used under, I mean in that case the image is formed at least distance of the distinct vision. So based on, and this is under normal adjustment. So this is at normal adjustment, and you can put normal adjustment. And here at D. Okay. So what is D? That is the distance, the least distance of the distinct vision. You understand? Please copy this.